Hey everyone! Have you heard this saying? First impression is the best impression. When it comes to your board exam, your answer sheet presentation is the first impression you give to the examiner. Many students know the answers but lose marks due to incorrect way of writing their answers. In the next few minutes, you will see the 7 important tips toppers follow for excellent paper presentation and score maximum marks. Okay, the first tip is about your handwriting. If the examiner cannot read your answer, you may end up getting less marks. Do you write neatly? A neat and organized answer paper shows your confidence in answering the question. Make sure to write your exam in the best handwriting possible. We encourage you to start practicing now itself. Don't wait for the exam day. Start now. Practice as if you are writing for your exam. When you are taking notes or doing your practice tests, write in a neat, clear, and well-organized manner. Also leave proper spacing between words and answers. As you know, practice makes things better. Next tip is about the answer format. Some students make the mistake of writing too much extra for a short answer question, just because they know the answer so well. Or maybe it is their favorite topic. Read your question correctly and answer in the specific format needed. Remember to use headings and bullet points to make your answer clear. Start long answers with an introduction, followed by the main content, and end with a conclusion. For math and physics, write each step clearly. Also, use a ruler for diagrams, graphs, and underlining. Following the right format will help you answer the questions in the allotted time and will show the examiner that you followed the instructions given. This will help you to give the right amount of time and attention to all questions and help score maximum marks for each question. Now, the third tip is the use of diagrams, flowcharts, and tables. Don't you like a neat and well-labeled diagram in your textbook? It gives more depth to the topic and presentation, so why not use that in your answer sheet? Adding diagrams and flowcharts gives an extra boost to your answers. It makes them more engaging, easier to understand. Once again, start now. Start drawing labeled diagrams, flowcharts, or tables when you revise or write notes. This way, it gets easier for you to add these in your exam paper too. This can be a true game changer for scoring maximum marks. Our fourth tip is about word limit. Try to follow the word limit. Do not waste time writing unnecessarily long answers when not required. According to the CBSE website, examiners will not reduce marks for exceeding the word limit. However, follow the instructions and try to stick to the word limit. For short answer questions, try to write your response in a brief and concise format. For long answers, structure your response with an introduction, body, and conclusion. Remember, your time spent unnecessarily for a question is the time lost for answering other questions well. And now the fifth tip. Underline important points. Did you know that you can direct your examiner's attention by underlining key points? It draws attention to the most crucial parts of your answer, making it easier for the examiner to check your answers. This way, you can make sure the examiner will make a note of all the important points in your answer. Remember to underline neatly. Now, our sixth point is about numbering your answers correctly. Make sure you number your answers correctly and double-check this with the question paper. Don't make the examiners play a guessing game. Clearly label each answer with the correct question number. Can you imagine losing marks just because you didn't number the answer correctly? So, take a few moments to make sure you are numbering the answers correctly. Now, the seventh tip is to always double-check your answers. As per the official CBSE website, marks for spelling mistakes and other errors are deducted in the language papers. We know even geniuses make mistakes. So, make sure to leave some time to review your answer paper. This will help you to add that missing word or change that incorrect calculation. Also, this will be the right time to double-check if you numbered the answers correctly. So remember these tips and ace your exams. This is your chance to show what you learned for months and years. Present your answers in the best possible way. Believe in yourself and do your best. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, My Academic Guide, for more useful tips. Good luck with your exams.